Hello everyone, it seems that Google Pixel 7a's price in India has been leaked just hours before the official announcement. Flipkart accidentally revealed the price of the Pixel 7a, which caused quite a stir among tech enthusiasts. According to the leaked information, the Google Pixel 7a price in India is 39,999 rupees. However, this would be the price after bank offers are applied, and the actual price is expected to be slightly higher. Multiple users on Twitter have shared screenshots of the Flipkart banner, which apparently is only visible on the mobile browser. The banner also shows an offer on the Pixel Buds A series and/or Fitbit Inspire 2. Moreover, the Pixel 7a is already on sale in the US on the US marketplace site Swappa with a price ranging from $469 to $499. The marketing material of the device had also leaked out earlier, revealing the Pixel 7a color options, specifications, and a comparison with its predecessor, the Pixel 6a. Stay tuned for more updates on the official launch and availability of Google Pixel 7a.